Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to book Uber cab in USA. So if you also want to book Uber cab in USA, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So booking the Uber cab in USA is very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is download the Uber application. You can easily install the application from Play Store and App Store. Once you install the application, all you have to do is open the Uber application. Make sure to create an account for yourself. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to find two options, rides and eats. Make sure rides option is selected. At top of this interface, you'll be able to see a search bar. Over here, you'll be able to select the destination. Simply tap on the search bar. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is select the destination that you want to go to. You can also select the destination from which the Uber cab will be picking you. Simply tap on the first option. Now over here, you'll be able to select the destination from which the Uber cab is picking you. Now also select the destination that you're going to. Simply type in the destination. You'll be able to see the options over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to choose a ride. You'll be able to find several options over here. You can see several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for Uber X, Comfort, Uber XL, Black, etc. You'll also be able to see the prices over here. You can also see the popular options and economy option. Compare the prices, compare the options and select a ride for yourself. Once you like the ride, simply tap on the ride that you like the best. Now what you have to do is add a payment method. Simply tap on the option add payment method. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to add the payment method. You can see two options over here, credit or debit card, gift card. If you've already added the payment method, that payment method will be shown over here. You can simply tap on it. After that, that particular payment method will be added. But if you do not have any payment method, you'll be able to add the payment method. For example, if you want to add the credit or debit card, simply tap on the option credit or debit card. Now due to privacy reason, this interface will not be recorded, but I'll tell you what to do. Simply enter the card number, expiration date and CVV. You can also enter the nickname if you want. After that, what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. After that, that particular payment method will be added. Now after that, all you have to do is tap on the choose option that you can see at the bottom. According to the ride you choose, the name will be shown in that option. For example, I've chosen the comfort option, so I'm being able to see the option for choose comfort. Likewise, you'll also be able to see the options for you. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, Uber cab will be booked. So that is how you book Uber cab in USA. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.